Want to diagnose your car like a pro without spending hundreds at the shop? The Autel Diagnose MD806 might just be the perfect tool for you. Let's find out if it's really worth your money. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into the Autel Diagnose MD806, a powerful OBD2 diagnostic tool that claims to handle full system scans, service resets, and more. I'll show you what it does, how to use it, the pros and cons, and whether it's the right pick for your garage. What is this? The Autel Diagnose MD806 is a professional-grade diagnostic scanner designed for both DIY mechanics and technicians. It's an upgraded version of the MD802, capable of reading and clearing trouble codes from all major systems, like engine, transmission, ABS, airbag, and more. Basically, it gives you dealer-level insight right from your garage. Key features. Here are the key features that make the MD806 stand out. 1. Full system diagnosis. Scan all modules including engine, transmission, SRS, and ABS. 2. Service functions. Perform oil resets, EPB, electronic parking brake, release, SAS calibration, and DPF regeneration. 3. Live data and graphing. View real-time sensor readings with graphical displays for better analysis. 4. Auto VIN detection. Quickly identifies your vehicle and loads data automatically. 5. Multilingual menu and lifetime updates. Supports multiple languages and free lifetime software updates via USB. Unboxing. In the box, you'll find the Autel Diagnose MD806, a user manual and quick start guide, the OBD2 connection cable, a USB cable for software updates, and a handy carrying case for protection. Everything feels well built and professional. Pros and cons. Let's quickly break down the pros and cons. Pros: full system scan support, easy to use with clear interface, supports multiple service functions, lifetime free updates, durable design. Cons: no Bluetooth or wireless connection, screen isn't touch-enabled, interface looks a bit dated compared to tablet-style scanners. Price: the Autel Diagnose MD806 is priced around $250 to $300 USD, depending on where you buy it. It's a great value for the features it offers, especially compared to higher-end diagnostic tablets. Final thoughts. So, is the Autel Diagnose MD806 worth it? If you're a DIY car enthusiast or a small shop owner who needs a reliable, full-system scanner without spending over $1,000, absolutely yes. It's fast, accurate, and packed with features that make maintenance much easier. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest reviews and car diagnostic tips. Drop your questions in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next video.